মই ভানু শৰ্মা আজি মোৰ লগত আছে আন্না আন্নাৰ স্কিনখন ইমান ধুনীয়া skin is so beautiful and hair how to take care please
I'm doing nothing. I'm just my food.
yeah
For me, it's very important to take care and think about what I am eating because what I am eating, that is I am. Very healthy food.
Yeah.
And I'm
Just like?
Something, how I say, not to be wet. SPF, it's very important for me because we are living in a place where is 300 sunny days and I have to take care of my skin. Not very much I'm using creams, but I think it's my age.
Yeah.
I have to do.
Too young. You are looking too young. No, no.
I'm
on dunya.
Really? Thank you very much. And I'm doing yoga for face.
Yeah, very good. And you tell them.
But I need to some creams. I think for care because it's already time.
I think you take honey.
Honey?
No.
Yes, I'm using it. Yes, I eat it.
Yeah.
Honey.
Here, honey is very pure available.
Pure things, and I'm using much protein, and But I think I should take care more.
Oh.
And I'm cleaning my makeup every night. I wash my face very carefully.
Please say thank you, your language.
Snorakalutsung from Armenia.
Thank you. Okay, bye.